masizibusele kubabukeli bayo xhosa TV predictors. Namhlanje be Saturday as usual. We will predict and we'll make sure we give you 5 or 6 odds. We'll start with the game in it's gonna start up around 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. This game is a game of Lille against Angers. No, Angers versus Lille. Lille is visiting Angers at home. That game is going to play in France. I think we can say Lille and a draw. The second one will be in South Africa, Chippa United in PE versus Orlando Pirates. That game is a tough one, and both teams, they will fight each other because Chippa is playing at home. They are not going to allow Pirates to beat them at home. And Pirates, another side, they are fighting for second spot so that they can go to Africa next season. But I think if for money, you can say Pirates and draw. But I also see Pirates winning the game because they don't want to give a space to these guys of Supersport United. The second one will be in Switzerland, where Zurich will welcome Basel. In that game, it's a tough game. Both teams are strong. Yeah, the safe way is to say you give handicap of 2 goals to Basel. The third one is in Italy, Serie A, Hellas Verona versus Sassuolo. That one is also tough. It can end up in draw, but give two goals of handicaps to Sassuolo. Another one is in Germany, Hertha Berlin versus RB Leipzig. It's a tough one, but give away win in the draw, which means it's RB Leipzig in the draw. Another one is in Spain, Real Sociedad versus Getafe. It's a tough one, but give Getafe 3 goals of handicaps. Another one is in England, where Man City is going to visit Southampton at home. Remember, Southampton are sitting at the bottom. They are fighting relegation. They will try all means to stop Man City. But because of Man City, they are fighting to win the league this season. They will never manage to drop any point in that game. So I will say Man City straight win. Another one is Torino FC versus AS Roma is happening in Serie A in Italy. It's a tough one. Both teams, you will never trust anything in those two teams. But to say 2 goals of handicaps to Roma can make you safe. Vitesse from Netherlands against Go Ahead Eagles. They will be clashing it at around quarter to 7. Just give 2 handicaps to Vitesse. Victoria Plzen in Czech Republic against FK Joblenek. Just give Victoria Plzen and the draw. In Netherlands again, AS Alma versus Sparta Rotterdam. Just give AZ Alma straight win. But to be safe, you must say AZ and a draw. PSV versus Rotterdam Excelsior. Just give PSV a straight win. Lazio versus Juventus is a tough one. Anyone is 50-50 game in Serie A in Italy. Just give 2 handicaps to Juventus. In France, it's OGC Nice versus PSG. Just say a double chance win-win over 1.5. Why? Because I know most of you will give straight win to PSG. PSG these days is not a trusted team. You will never know what is going to happen. So to be safe, just give them win-win over 1.5. We go to Spain, where Real Madrid is going to welcome Villarreal at 9 o'clock. Just play double chance the Real Madrid and the draw under 4.5. We go again to Netherlands, Heerenveen versus Volendam. There is a tough one. Those teams is unpredictable. Just give Volendam 3 goals of handicaps. We also go to the last one by 9:30. SC Braga versus Estoril Praha. In that game, it's a home game for Braga. Automatically they win, but because of we're playing for money here, we want to win. Just say Braga in the draw. Stake high, put all your money, because you're not going to get disappointed tonight. It's your win. It's up to you to take it because you have been